Ayan.
Okay, okay na.
Nahintay mo sa dulo.
We're here now in the Byron. Yung kasama ko mabagal nasa likod. Hey guys, we're here in Dubai Run 2024.
May dinosaur. Dapat nung sa harapan, nahabol ka ng dinosaur. Ako na lang dyan, bye-bye.
Hina. Ay talaga siya. Bagal. Hi guys, we're here now in Dubai Run 2024. We're going to run at least 10 kilometers from Museum of the Future until what is that? What is that? Which place we're turning around?
Around 5 kilometers across. Again, we are reaching to.
Ah, okay. Because I don't know that one. I don't know that place. But I came from Museum of the Future. Until now, I'm still running. This is my friend. What is your name?
Shabir.
Shabir. Hi, everyone.
Facebook or?
Sorry?
Facebook?
Just video and then I upload it in TikTok. Dubai Run 2024. Have a lot of people participating to the Dubai Run 2024. Grabe, buhos yung tao. It's all about maybe 100,000 of people joining and participate in our Dubai Run 2024. Napakarami pa po nila. Meron pa po sa kabilang lane. Sa kabilang lane meron pa po. May tumatakbo pa sa kabilang lane. Malapit na yung Museum of the Future kung saan nagsimula yung run. Pero marami pa pong nasa likod. Tumatakbo. Sa dami ng tao. Sobrang dami ng tao. Hundreds of people. Hundreds of people. My God. They're shouting there. Actually, may kasama ako eh. Kasama ako. Yung kasama ko, hindi ko alam kung nasan na. Nawawala na yung kasama ko. Naiwan ko na. So, we need to run. We need to run again. Yung shades ko tumataas. Ang hirap ng walang ilong. Ang hirap ng pango. Dito na po tayo sa tunnel. Yan. Nasa tunnel na tayo. Malapit na tayo sa katotohanan ng ending. Dubai Run 2024!
Dubai Run 2024! Guys, are you there?
Oh my God, we are all tired, but everybody's happy. Whew. Ang hirap tumakbo habang nagkakamera. So, guys, I need to stop this. Grabe, nakapagod. Nakapagod na siya kasi paakyat na yung road. So, it's hard to run. Whew. You know, every day I was riding 6 meters every day at night. But this one is about 10 kilometers. My God. Nakatagal ako. Sorry. Nakatagal ako. Kaya. Siguro kahit 20 kilometers. Grabe daming participant to. So I need to stop this, guys. Hi! Dubai Run 2024. Yan, guys. Nag-stop over muna ako. Hintay ko yung kasama ko. Pag everyday may jogging ka, you can do this. Even 20 kilometers maybe you can do. Pag everyday may jogging ka. And I am lucky because every day I do jogging for 6 meters. Tagal nung kasama ko. Ang daming participant, guys. Sobrang dami ng participant. Almost one man came to me and they're talking to me that he said that I have a lot of people participating here in Dubai around 2024, and I told him maybe it's all about 50,000 people was participating, and he said that no, it's almost 200,000, he said. But it's fun. Even we are all tired, everybody's happy. Once in a year, dapat talaga kahit pa paano mag-participate ka. Parang one of the achievement and experience here in Dubai na mapasali sa Dubai Run. Actually, last Dubai ride, kasali din ako eh. Tagal ng kasama ko. Diba? Ang daming tao niyan, guys. Sobrang dami. I think this Dubai Run 2024 was in the Guinness World Record. Ito na yung pinakamalaking Dubai Run all over UAE. Middle East pala. All over Middle East. Ito na yung pinakamalaking Dubai Run. Running marathon, I mean. Ang dami nila. Sobrang dami. Ang dami nila. Parang hindi ako kasali. No? Ang tagal nung kasama ko. Kanina pa ako nandito naghihintay. Hello! Hello! Oo nga? Good morning! Okay na kayo na. Good morning!
Saan ang ano nyo? Saan kayo nag-park?
Malayo. Sabi ko sa atwa, sabi nila malayo.
Tara. Let's go.
Kayo eh. Tulog pa, ninatong pa.
Nagpunta ako doon sa parking mo. Talag, kaso...
Tulog na kayo paano yung...
Let's go, let's walk. Gusto ba niya? Let's walk, let's walk. Let's walk. Alam. Grabe, until now yung kasama ko wala pa rin. Nakaka 4 minutes na ako, wala pa rin yung kasama. So I need to stop this, guys. I remind you and remember Dubai Run 2024.
Cheers.